Experience unparalleled security, convenience, and versatility with the Retrax EQ, the ultimate retractable truck bed cover designed to enhance the utility of your truck. Retrax EQ shelters your cargo and keeps it secure while adding a layer of convenience to your day. You won't have to deal with the hassle of extra keys or key fobs because it interfaces with your truck, so it can be operated by using your existing factory key fob. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. 3 presses of the unlock button, and the Retrax EQ will automatically roll into the canister and uncover your bed. And 3 presses of the lock button will close the cover. There's even a cinch mode that allows you to close the cover against cargo you're hauling. Send the close command, and when the cover reaches the cargo and senses resistance, it will retract a couple of inches. This is also a safety feature to prevent damage to your cargo or injury to people and pets. Send the close command a second time, and the Retrax EQ will cinch the cargo, helping to keep it in place during transportation. The driver's side LED rail light gives you the ability to illuminate your bed when it's dark, and you have the option to add the same light to the passenger side rail for ultimate visibility of your cargo at night. For added convenience, download the Retrax app on your Android or iOS device. The free app will allow you to open and close the cover with your phone and lock or unlock your doors and tailgate. And if your truck is equipped with a remote tailgate, the app can operate that too. There's also an optional keypad available that adheres to the back of your cab with automotive-grade 3M tape. With a simple programmable 5-digit code, the keypad gives you access to operate the cover and door locks in case you don't have your phone or factory key fob, or if you just don't want to keep them on you. To further enhance the utility of your truck, the Retrax EQ is compatible with rack systems for tools and toys. The T-slot rail system accommodates a variety of accessories and works seamlessly with load bars or racks, so you can make the most out of your bed space while transporting everything from bicycles and kayaks to ladders and lumber. The Retrax EQ is backed by a 5-year warranty and is proudly made right here in the USA. Visit RealTruck.com to secure your truck bed with a Retrax EQ.